everyone, I'm Miss Kelty. I'm the principal here at ECDC. I'm just starting my 8th year and I am so blessed to be a part of this great team. ECDC is the public school preschool program, and so all of our teachers and professional staff meet the high quality standards of the Franklin Public Schools. We are lucky enough to have teaching teams that work in each of our 7 classrooms. Our teaching teams are made up of a classroom teacher, 1 or 2 educational support professionals, and then we have an occupational therapist, a physical therapist, a couple speech therapists. We also have someone who specializes in augmentative communication. We also have a school psychologist and a board certified behavior analyst that are all part of our team. And all of these people work in classrooms with all students. We're an integrated program, so we have students with and without disabilities in the same classroom, but we provide all students access to this wonderful array of staff. So I'd like to give you an opportunity to meet them. So just take a listen and meet my team.
Oh, hi, I'm Miss Laura and I'm the secretary here at ECDC and I've been here for 8 years.
Hi, I'm Suzanne Roma, the school nurse here at ECDC. I'm looking forward to meeting you all.
Hi, I'm Chris Dugan. I'm a teacher here at ECDC and I have been teaching here for 25 years. It's nice to meet you.
It's Laura and I'm an ESP here and I've been at ECDC for 9 years.
Hi, I'm Miss Megan and I have been an ESP here at ECDC for 4 months and I have been working for Franklin Public Schools for 2 years.
Hi, I'm Miss Elizabeth. I'm one of the teachers here at ECDC.
Hi, I'm Miss Sonia. I am an ESP at ECDC and I have been here for 7 years.
Hi, I'm Linda Canoya, one of the speech and language pathologists here at ECDC. I've been in other schools in the district, but I've loved being able to return to ECDC for the past 3 years.
Hi, I'm Diane Peaby. I'm one of the speech and language pathologists here at the ECDC. I've been a speech pathologist since 1993, and I've been here at the ECDC since 2002.
Hi, my name is Kathleen Shippos, AAC specialist for the district, including ECDC, for the last 3 years.
My name is Sandra Wong. I'm an occupational therapist here at ECDC, and I've been with the Franklin Public Schools for over 10 years.
Hi, my name is Julian Mcneil. I'm a physical therapist at ECDC. I've been with the Franklin Public Schools for 11 years.
I'm Jennifer Curry, school psychologist, and I've been at ECDC for 5 years.
Hi, I'm Carrie Carroll, one of the district BCBAs, and I have been here at ECDC for 4 years.
Hi, I'm Sarah Martin. I'm the team chair for ECDC and I've been here for 4 years.
Hi, I'm Miss Becky and I've been a teacher at the ECDC for 16 years.
Hi, I'm Miss Susie. I'm an ESP here at ECDC. I've been here, this is my first year.
Hi, I'm Miss Debbie. I'm an ESP here at ECDC and I have been here for 6 years.
Hi, I'm Miss Meg. I'm a teacher here at ECDC and I've been here 3 years.
Hi, I'm Diane Karen. I'm an ESP at ECDC and I've been here for 2 years.
Hi, I'm Miss Jane. I'm an ESP here at ECDC and I've been here for 5 years.
Hi, my name's Miss Mary Lynn and I've been working at ECDC for 7 years. I'm a special education teacher and I can't wait to meet your children.
Hi, my name is Miss Shah. I'm an ESP at ECDC and I have been here 6 years.
Hi, I'm Miss Christine. I'm an ESP at ECDC and I've been here for 6 years.
Hi, my name's Miss Jen. I've worked at the ECDC as a classroom teacher for 18 years. It's a very special place.
Hi, I'm Christina Ridlon. I'm an educational support professional and it's my first year working at ECDC.
Hi, my name is Miss Julie. I'm a classroom teacher and I've been part of the ECDC teaching team for 9 years.
Hi, my name is Miss Denise and I am an ESP here at ECDC and I've been part of the team for 4 years.
Hi, my name is Meg Travers. I'm an ESP and this is my 5th year at ECDC.
Hi, my name is Michelle Flum. I am an ESP at ECDC and I have been here for 2 years.
Hi, my name's Miss Cami. I'm an ESP here at ECDC and I've been working here for 2 years.
Hi, I'm Miss Stevie. I'm an ESP and I've been at ECDC for 2 years now.